Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today I'm going to show you soupy noodle recipe with lamb meat. This recipe is best for lunchtime. First we will cut vegetables. Take one yellow capsicum and one red capsicum and one big onion. Cut them into long thin pieces. Do not cut too thin. Keep around half centimeter width. Now take small bunch of coriander, chop and keep it aside. Take 10 to 15 garlic cloves, peel the skin and cut into small pieces. Now take 500 grams of boneless lamb meat and cut into long thin pieces same as capsicum. Now we will boil spaghetti. Here I am using 300 grams. Follow the instructions on the packet and boil accordingly. After spaghetti ready, drain the water and add 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Mix so that they will not stick each other. Now heat up the frying pan, add 50 ml of oil and add chopped meat. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, half tablespoon of Ajinomoto and fry on a low flame till water from the meat evaporates. After water evaporates, drop all the vegetables which we cut earlier. And add 200 ml of water, salt to taste and boil till meat cooks enough. If you want noodles little soupy, you can add some extra water. When meat cooks enough, switch off the gas. And now it's time to serve our soup. Take small quantity of noodles in a bowl. Add meat along with the soup on the top of it and serve. These noodles are tasty and so yummy.